Welcome to my YouTube channel, mobile-minded ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk to the Nokia Lumia 500 5G. A bold re-entry into the world of modern smartphones with a blend of premium aesthetics and cutting-edge technology. This device features a sleek, ultra-slim design with a matte metallic finish that reflects Nokia's classic durability and modern elegance. The front is dominated by a stunning 6.5-inch edge-to-edge AMOLED display, offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and fluid 120 Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth scrolling and gaming. With ultra-narrow bezels and a centered punch-hole front camera, the screen-to-body ratio feels almost cinematic. Powering this next-gen Lumia is a flagship-grade Snapdragon 8 Series 5G processor, built for high performance, low latency, and seamless multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or switching between heavy apps, the Nokia Lumia 500 5G delivers without breaking a sweat. Coupled with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of internal storage, it gives you the speed and space to do more, store more, and never slow down. On the rear, the Lumia 500 5G boasts a triple camera setup, led by a powerful 64 megapixels main sensor with Zeiss optics, true to Nokia's photography heritage. The camera system includes an ultra-wide-angle lens and a dedicated depth sensor for professional portrait shots, enhanced with AI-powered features like Night Mode, Pro Mode, and Cinematic Video Stabilization. The front camera is a crisp 32-megapixel shooter, perfect for high-quality selfies and crystal-clear video calls. Security and convenience go hand-in-hand with an in-display fingerprint sensor that lights up when you tap, ensuring fast and secure access. It also supports advanced face unlock using the front camera. At the bottom, you'll find a USB Type-C charging port with support for 65-watt fast charging, juicing up the 4,800 mAh battery in just under 40 minutes. The battery life comfortably lasts all day, even with heavy use. The Nokia Lumia 500 5G runs on a clean, near-stock Android experience, with guaranteed updates and minimal bloatware. It includes 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, stereo speakers, and IP68 water and dust resistance, making it not just smart, but rugged and reliable. Blending Nokia's legacy of strength with modern innovation, the Lumia 500 5G is designed for users who want beauty, brains, and blazing speed in one iconic device. It's more than a smartphone. It's the return of a legend, reimagined for the 5G era.